Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Roberto again from Binary Options Pro Trade Signals. So we're just going to show you a few screens here in a live trade again. So let's start with what the screen looked like when I entered the trade. We're in short. In other words, we bought a put in the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So here we are looking at the 1 minute chart. Entered right in there, so we had a sell signal, in other words buy a put, and we bought it for 20.50. Here's the put we bought, and so you can see it moved almost immediately in our favor. Let's have a look at that live trade. Come bring that in here into 4 options. So we have 5 minutes and 40 seconds left on that trade, and entered at 97.993. It's currently market at 97.924. So we have about 7 pips. Nice move. And there you see the visual effect. And again, it moved almost immediately in our favor. So it looks very positive. 5 minutes left. However, let's remember, in this yen, it can pop all over the map. But it looks very positive right now. What I mean by pop all over the map is that we have 7 pips profit, but it can pretty quickly bounce up there. We do have about 5 minutes left in this trade, so again, it looks pretty positive. So there we go, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and I'm going to bring over one more screen. It gets a little different view of it. So 1 minute chart again, and you can see right in there at a signal indicating a trend is moving down. Had a very strong signal right in there. So open up some of these charts. There's the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and 1 minute charts, candlesticks on here. Each candle represents 1 minute. So there we were moving along up there, bumping up against the Bollinger Band. Went short right in here and it bounced down. So have a look again at the actual trade, and as you can tell, I trade at a broker that I trust and have worked with for a number of years now. 4 options. That 97.993. Market's at 97.94. So still about 6 pips in our favor. As you can see from the visual there, it's kind of edging back up just a little bit. We have 3 minutes left in that trade. Made a nice little pop down, 97.93. So again, we have about 6 pips in our favor. It's bouncing around here a little bit. Just move that away. Moving down again. So we'll just wait this out. Nice formation in there. There's where we re-entered about in here. It's another chart. So you'll notice, like we use here at Binary Options Pro Trade Signals, we use a free charting service called MT4. Now that's a totally independent service, totally independent charting service. It's free, by the way, and you can get it from a number of different brokers. And I use it because it's an independent service, and while the prices are not identical to what do4 option is, what is identical is the formation, the structures, and the movement. So we chart it there, and I've developed some indicators to proprietary indicators that I've developed for myself, for my own personal trading, and they work well. On a good day, I'm trading about 60% accurate, meaning 60% of the trades. So if I do 10 trades, 6 of them are right. That's on an average day. On a really good day, I could have up to 100% correct. Again, that's a really good day. So my average is out to about 70, 80%. And that's good because you can make money at that. So here at Binary Options Pro Trade Signals, you can learn how to trade by watching over my shoulder. I have a number of indicators, a number of trigger points to go short, to go long, and you can learn about those. So it's a good learning vehicle. I've been at this for a number of years, 10 plus years, so I'm getting pretty comfortable with the markets. Here we again looking at the live trade, 24option.com, and we have 27 seconds left and have about 5 pips in there, so we'll count this down. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. This is a nice feeling to be able to do things like this, and you're fairly comfortable. This trade is going to turn out good because we've got a fair amount of room in there, and it's coming up against us here, but that's okay because it expired in the money. So we entered right up there. We entered in the market at 97.993, closed at 97.957. Still about 3 pips profit, was popping up there against us a bit, but still in the profit. That's it, signing off. Oh, by the way, this is the 30th of December 2014. One day before New Year's Day. Just making a few trades, a few simple trades, quality trades here in the afternoon at 8:50 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Good trading, folks. Closing out. Come to Binary Options Pro Trade Signals and sign up to get your trading right, to get to a point where you can look at live streaming trades and learn how to trade by looking over the shoulders of a pro trader.